price of bitcoins began to climb late last year from around 5,500 yuan and soared to a historical high on January 5th of 8,895 yuan per coin. Noting the dramatic price change, China's central bank called for a meeting with representatives of major Bitcoin trading platforms in the country to find out what was going on. BTCC was one of them and met with officials at the PBOC's Shanghai headquarters.
PBOC is concerned about, when the price goes up too much, goes up and down, high volatility, potential investors and people buying it can lose money. So they're just reminding the exchanges to do two things. One is to comply with all, KYC and anti-money laundering rules and regulations. The second thing is to remind our traders or customers that Bitcoin in the end is very volatile, as we saw last week.
And it was after that meeting the price pulled back to 6,300 yuan per coin. The central bank announced in 2013 that Bitcoin was not recognized as a legitimate currency in China, but rather would be regarded as a virtual good. Some say the reason for this round of price volatility is the wider recognition of blockchain technology, which is a core base for Bitcoin circulation. One expert says, however, that since there was no new development in the blockchain technology last week, the reason must lie somewhere else.
We've seen the central bank tighten its forex policy in the new year, so some people are trying to exchange their money with bitcoins so they can transfer them abroad. That's one reason for the price hike last week. Another reason is that the size of the Bitcoin market is relatively small, almost the size of one single listed A-share company, so its price is easy to manipulate and is extremely volatile due to global investors' participation. The most important reason is that many Bitcoin trading platforms are trying to get a new round of financing, and they hope to push up the price of the Bitcoin to drive up the transaction volume for better valuation of their businesses.
There are around 12 million Bitcoins in world circulation, and the number is limited to an eventual 21 million. Many industry insiders are quite optimistic about the market this year. Jiayi, ICS for CGTN, Shanghai.